Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your computer period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Better open your book, page number 25. We are on page number 25, page, and here we are starting our new chapter, chapter 3, Objects in Word 2013. Let's see what he is doing. He is thinking of a card. Now, in this picture, hey Toggle, I was thinking of making a birthday card for my teacher. That's great idea. You can use Word for that. How is Word useful here? Word has quite a few design features too. You can use them for making the card. Now in this chapter what you will study: inserting word art, inserting text boxes, inserting shapes, inserting pictures, wrap text and position. Let's start reading. Word 2013 allows us to insert more than just text and tables in a Word document. You will learn about some of them in this chapter, namely about inserting word art, pictures and text boxes. They are together known as objects. Let's just take them one by one. So our first topic is inserting word art. Word art is a text styling feature in Word 2013. The word art gallery includes different styles that can be applied to any text. Okay, beta, what is word art? Word art is a text styling feature. And where is it present? It is in Word 2013. The shape and formatting characteristics of a word art object are called word art styles. Now here is our top tip. Word 2013 by default opens a document in the compatibility mode. To see the word art gallery shown in figure 3.1, you will have to convert the document into the 2013 format by clicking File, then Info, then Convert. Now turn the page. Here our topic is creating word art. To insert a word art in your document, do the following. Number 1. Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a word art object. Number 2. Click the Insert tab. Number 3. Click the Word Art button in the text group and select a word art style. Figure 3.1. See, this is figure 3.1, word art styles. What is this? This is different designs of A. In the word art or in the word, you can write simple words A, B, C, G. But if you want to give them a different look, then you can use word art styles. Alright. A placeholder appears in the document figure 3.2. This is figure 3.2, placeholder for word art text. Your text here. Okay, this is a placeholder. Your text here. Replace the placeholder with the text you want. Figure 3.3. Now here desired word art text entered. Here you will write whatever you want to write, as they have written here, welcome. Alright, so this is how you create word art. Now formatting word art. You can use the options available on the format tab. Figure 3.4. This is figure 3.4 and this is the format tab. See, there are different features present here. Under drawing tools, to change the appearance of your word art text. Now there is a top tip. You can also convert text already typed into word art text. Select the text and click the word art command. The selected text will be placed within a text box. Change formatting using the font group commands on the home tab and the format tab commands under drawing tools. So here, as they were saying here, that you have to first select the word art styles, then you will type the text. And here what they are saying, that some material, something which you have already typed, that can also be changed into the word art. Okay, now come to next page. Do the following. Number 1, select the word art text. Number 2, click the format tab. Number 3, in the word styles group, click the drop down menu arrow of the text fill option and select the desired color. You can also select a gradient fill. Figure 3.5. See, here this is text fill option. Here this is the color. Automatic theme colors are present. These are the standard colors. This box means no fill, then more fill colors, gradient. This is a arrow which you can click on and then you will see more colors. To change the text outline, click the drop down menu arrow of the text outline option and select the desired color for the outline. You can change the inside of a letter, you can change only the outline. Now number 5, you can also change the thickness, weight and line style dashes. If you want outline to be transparent, select no outline. Figure 3.6. Here text outline options. These are the theme colors all for the outline. These are the standard colors. Here no outline. If you don't want to give any color to the outline, you want to make it transparent, then you will select no outline. Then more outline colors, weight, thickness, right, like this, and dashes. All right. To add a visual effect to the text, click the text effect buttons and select the desired effect. Figure 3.7. This is figure 3.7 text effects menu. Shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, transform, right? Now, to change the text direction, click the text direction option and select the desired effect. Figure 3.8. This is figure 3.8 text direction menu. Text direction ABC horizontal, then rotate all text 90 degree, rotate all text to 70 degree. Different directions you can give to your text. And number 8, to rotate text, click and drag the rotation handle. Figure 3.9. This is figure 3.9, rotating word art text. This is the rotation handle. You can use this and then you can rotate your text in any direction. Alright. This was all for today. We have learned how we can create word art, how we can format word art, and more we will study in our next periods. I hope you enjoyed the topic. Read these pages again. Do these steps in your computer. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah khairan kasira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.